Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Mpheni home defender 0. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KB.
Hey, Steve Okren.
I'm not.
Yeah, number one, Steve. Steve Okonje, we were playing what, Nedbank, ne?
Yes.
Sundowns 2 and then what?
Mpheni home defenders.
Yeah, Steve, there's just few things that people need to understand or learn.
Yeah.
Preparations to games are not the same. I'll try and explain it, Steve. This was a cup game, I get it.
Yes.
So Sundowns went an extra mile in their preparation. Someone might say never, but believe you me, they had penalty shootouts at training. When you prepare for a league game, after 90 minutes, it's game over.
Get draw.
It's over. Cup game, after 90 minutes, you go for extra time and then penalties.
Exactly.
Yes, it might have been an easy win for Sundowns, or they came to the game knowing very well how they are winning.
Yeah.
But if you listen to all the teams that go to the penalties, you must always listen to the keep. He'll tell you, this is what we did during training session.
The penalty.
So I think as people, we need to start being able to identify different types of competitions. Preparations are never the same. Hence why I said to you yesterday that all teams are playing to beat Pirates.
Yes.
One might not want to hear it, but that's true. They are the defending champions.
It's the truth.
And that's it.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter who are. Currently, the defending champions is Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
So the only way you'll have a different name there is if Pirates loses.
Yes.
Yeah, but let's go back. I just wanted to...
So, vele target go Pirates. Limasanda wanati.
Steve, right now there's a trophy. It's engraved. It has a name.
Yeah.
And that name, we all know which name is it.
Orlando Pirates Football Club.
Yeah. But remember, I was just telling you difference between the league and the cup. Yeah, it's those little things.
Details there.
Yeah, hence why you hear people saying, 4-1, 2-0, 1-0, TS Galaxy. It's different games, different preparations, you see.
Yeah.
But let's get into the games, Steve.
Yes, coach.
Steve, you see now, you know, have more TikTok, but and have on about.
Yeah,
Hey, Steve. Pirates Sundowns is showing off, Steve.
They're showing off.
They're showing off, Steve. Quality Sundowns, it's unmatched.
It's too much.
Look at their lineup, Steve. Look at their lineup. The lineup that played the last time they lost or they won, it's not the same lineup that started.
Complete overhaul.
Especially in the center. If you're going to change the core of the team, then it means you really have quality.
In the white tape.
And we need to start accepting that, Steve. If you can change the 3 in the center.
Yes.
And then change the center backs as well.
Yes.
Even the goalkeeper, Steve. Steve, now they're showing off now. Now they're showing off.
Finally the team.
Steve, now they're showing off.
Finally the team.
Like, you know, Steve, when you want to argue, Mara, you see, Steve.
Steve.
I saw them by Kenya Cupido, Steve. Hey, Steve, quality, what a gem. Go Galaxy, we can go City, we can center back. Steve.
Yeah.
Now you look at if we can start we are accounting about 6-7 center backs.
Yes.
Very comfortable on the ball. Very, not comfortable. Very comfortable on the ball. So it shows you the profiling of Sundowns. They know what they want, Steve.
Yeah.
They go for what they want.
Transfer marketing.
So you need to give it to them. Hence what I'm saying, they are showing off. I saw today, you know, when you coach being by a tactician, some things you don't even mind them. I saw Statile Mashiro on the right side.
Yeah,
he was playing right back. And remember, Terence Mashiro is a left-footed player.
Yeah. Pamisa Koro.
Go right back. Now they didn't have Mudau. They didn't have Morena.
Yeah.
They didn't have Mudunyani. But they had Johannes on the bench.
Yes.
And they started Mashio. So they had an option of a right foot, but he was on the bench for Mashio. Now that tells you the coach is preparing almost the whole team. That should there be a need to call you, you are ready.
That's preparation.
Hence I'm saying they are showing off, Steve. Hey, Steve. Yeah.
Show off into it.
Look at their center. Steve. Look at their center. We didn't have Allende. They didn't have Mukwena.
Yes. Ribeiro,
Jaden Adams. You see. Steve. They had what Umkulisi, quality. They had Batuzi, quality. I'm not sure about the number 7. I don't want to mention names.
Kima number 7, coach.
Escoval, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's quality or what. Let's not say much about him. But yeah, Steve, I honestly feel Mashiro, for the position that he was playing, he played very well. Yes. For me, to be a left footer and then play right back, he played very well. Because remember, his strongest foot is on the left. So it meaning every time when he receives the ball, he's facing his own goals.
Because we receiver,
you see, left, you see. So there alone, I think we need to give credit to him. I don't want to say much about Koza. We know what Koza is capable of, Lubusa is capable of. We know those things.
Nice.
Yeah, Tiwan is playing very well. He's coming back to his best. You can see. So you look. Hence what I'm saying, they are showing off. They've got Langam. They've got Umdiba. Umdiba wasn't playing, and then who's the other one who since got a red card? He hasn't been playing late.
Matthews.
No, not Matthew. The left back.
Wabone, also red card.
Divine Lunga.
Divine.
Ever since that red card, he hasn't been playing.
Hey.
You see.
Hey.
And then up front, Largiman Saleh, 63 million guys still.
Yeah.
Hey, Steve, the first 2 minutes that guy missed I don't know if it's a seater or an open net. Those that know English will correct me. The keeper was already down, Steve. The little thing that he should have done was just to target. Anywhere, target, it's a goal. The keeper was already down.
Who made it?
It was not on target. I don't know if it's a miss, but it was not on target.
Who made it? Coach. Who made it?
Okay, he missed. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. He missed, but it's one thing. It's one thing, I still. And then you have, I don't want to say much about sales, Steve. Because for me, he's confusing. Why am I saying that? Hey. Steve, welcome Zalawan on the feed. The guy can trap, the guy can turn.
Yes.
We can't take those things away from a player. Technically, he's good. Steve. Yeah. Maybe he's not a striker. Maybe he's your false striker. I don't know. Hence why for me, I can never say Kimumish, that guy. Yeah. Because there are certain things that I love about him. Yeah, you see. And, yeah. And then you have Khudisang. Steve, that's a gem. Khudisang.
Right winger.
We are yet to see the best, Steve. Khudisang. Steve, that boy is something else. Matthews, Mosquito. Did you see his goals? Hence what I'm saying, Steve, those guys are showing off. Back heel, Steve, Trevor boxing, back heel, goal. Nasna stretch, I faced it out. Big heel, goal. He doesn't even celebrate. Hence what I'm saying, when you know I'm gonna win it.
Also Dortmund diamond.
Yeah, but the most stupid thing, Steve, for me was his red card. I mean, the first yellow card, he didn't have to pull that guy. Yes. The second one, for me, it was a straight red card instead of a second yellow. He should have gotten a red card straight. Yeah. Yeah, that was stupid. And it's one thing that I'm worried about Sundowns players. Yeah. Every time when they're playing smaller teams or lower division teams, they always get a red card. Last time it was Batuzi, today is Tariq. It's poor. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, they might need him going into the next games, the league games, and all those things.
Next round, they are not paying.
Next round, Steve, just in closing, man, not to drag it too long, it will speak forever. What's happening at Royal AM, Steve? Some things, man, they bring shame to our league. Yeah. It was run of 16, run of 32, 16, now we are going to 8. It's whoever versus, it's either whoever, like, come on. I believe if if Royal AM had played, we would have had a draw today, because this is the first time Nedbank, the last game is played and there's no draw. It looks very bad still. Now we need to wait for Monday for draw. I don't know how powerful Tuesday because it needs to go to it's looking bad still. I don't want to dwell too much on it because I don't know about it. Talk about the thing is I don't have much facts about it, but for the image it's looking bad still. It's really looking bad, because I believe every time when there's a cup there's dates. that are always set beyond that. So now it's Skukuni now needs to play versus what and what. Whoever wins. Remember the team that qualified for the last 32? That could have been a breakthrough for other boys. Because it's a lower division team. Maybe they could have played Pirates. On a good day, maybe win against Pirates or win against Chiefs. 1 or 2 players will be selected from that team. Like the number 12 Wabaroka yesterday. The boy showed it very well. But now those boys are now having to wait. You see, now the cluster of those games, when are they going to play now?
Maybe, Steve, just to add on to that one, what happened is that the curator and Royal AM failed to produce a letter of good hope to PSL. Now, it gives left PSL with no other option because they are not aware if Royal AM financial capacity can be able to host a standard of a PSL match. Now, as he's highlighting, there is 3 teams now that are involved into those sagas. What does it mean to the team that is going to play CAF Champions League, Club World Cup? Because the fixtures are rolling. Really, this left with PSL with no any other option than to exercise the rule number 13.7 of I think it's disciplinary and all those stuff in the NSL manual book to finally cut off Royal AM. We know that there's still other commitment that need to be rendered, like TV rights and all those stuff, but really this is not well.
Man of the match, Coach Rikwale.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you, member. I can
So just imagine, Steve, just imagine if now Sundowns or Pirates is being fixtured against those guys. Now it has to be a catch-up. Now there's too many games. But anyway,
affect our team, you know, preparation now, the game is close.
Yeah, still, I don't know, man. Sorry to drag it. I'm worried about the South African youngsters at Sundowns.
Okay, why?
I thought I would see Litlago today. Kagame. I thought he would be given a chance. But now it goes back to my point when people said Mdu Shabalala is carrying Chiefs.
Yes.
And I said no, he's been given a chance to show off his talent.
Yes.
Because if you are a youngster, you come into a high quality team.
Yes.
Chances of you playing become less.
That's true. Because
Unalwo Lucas, Unalwo Matthews. You see.
Or competent labor.
So I don't know. Maybe Litlago, they might have to loan him out so that we can see him.
Yeah.
Or maybe the coach has a plan. That's just my 2 cents. Because remember they said they promoted the youngster Khomolemo Kekan. You would think or in such games he would be given 2 minutes.
Game time, yeah.
Yeah, but let's close it for the coach. The coach always does it well. They know better. For me, man of the match, well deserved, Batuzi. But I would also have given it to Bless. Nkulisi. But yeah, Batuzi. Adam Steve.
Let's go.